Today, I'm starting with the best glass skin tips to help you get clear, glowing, and ultra-hydrated skin. Rice face mask for glowing skin. Take a small amount of rice and wash it properly. Cook the rice until soft, then blend into a smooth paste. Add 1 spoon of yogurt for hydration. Add a little honey for nourishment. Mix well and apply to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, bright, and smooth. Orange face mask. Take 1 orange, peel it, and keep the peel. Blend the orange peel with some milk to make a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon rice. Add a few drops of honey for hydration. Mix well and apply to your face evenly. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Instant glow. Manicure for bright and soft hands. Take lukewarm water in a bowl. Add 3 spoons of shampoo and 1 spoon of salt. Whisk to create foam and soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry with a soft towel. Mix 1 tablespoon lentil flour with 1 tablespoon honey. Gently scrub your hands for 5 minutes to remove dead skin. Mix 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon raw milk, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply this brightening pack all over your hands. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash off. Apply a good hand moisturizer to lock in hydration. Enjoy soft, bright, and nourished hands. Pedicure for soft and bright feet. Take some toothpaste, add 1 tablespoon coffee, great for exfoliation. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda, squeeze fresh lemon juice, and mix everything properly. Apply the mixture all over your feet and heels. Gently scrub for 5 to 7 minutes, focusing on rough areas. Apply coconut oil, Vaseline, or a rich foot cream. Wear socks overnight for ultra-soft feet. Say hello to smooth, bright, and crack-free feet.